Hazrat Abu Musa Ash'ari radiyallahu anhu states, I was along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam when he sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam alighted at Jirana, a place between Makkah Mukarramah and Medina Munawwara. And Hazrat Bilal radiyallahu anhu was also accompanying him then. A desert Arab came to him and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam, won't you keep your promise you made to me? Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, accept the glad tiding. That desert Arab submitted to him, you have many a time said to me, accept the glad tiding. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam in anger turned towards Hazrat Abu Musa and Hazrat Bilal radiyallahu anhum and said, this man has rejected my glad tiding. Now both of you should accept my glad tiding. Both of them submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam, we accepted it. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam then asked for a bowl of water and washed his face and hands in it, and then gargled in it, and then said, both of you should drink from it and pour the leftover water on your faces and chests and receive the glad tiding. They both took the bowl and did what Allah's Apostle commanded them to do. From behind the curtain, Hazrat Salama radiyallahu anha, the believer's mother, called them, leave some of your mother what is in your bowl. So they left some water for her. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6355.